Hello friends, today we will talk about this patient. This patient came for consultation. He was suffering from varicose veins and he had developed varicose veins ulcer because of that. He had severe pain and he was unable to tolerate that severe pain and unable to sleep because of the severe pain. So this patient came for consultation by watching YouTube videos on our channel, and when patient came at our clinic, I advised color Doppler of left lower limb venous, and on color Doppler it is seen that the short saphenous vein of this patient is dilated. It is varicose and dilated, and the saphenopopliteal junction is incompetent. It means that the wall at the junction of the short saphenous vein and popliteal vein is leaky, and it is causing the backward flow of the blood, that is impure blood is collecting in the blood, and because of that impaired circulation in the left lower limb, the pigmentation of the skin occurred, and this pigmentation, dryness all lead to formation of the varicose ulcer. Because of the varicose ulcer, edema, cellulitis, this patient was having severe pain and he came to get relief from this severe pain. So we advise laser treatment of the varicose veins, because by treating the varicose veins we can improve the circulation in his leg and it will help to heal the ulcer. Now patient came after 10 days. 10 days back he went laser treatment, and now you can see all the ulcers in his limb are healed. Now he don't have any ulcers. He has some pigmentation and dryness, so with time it will decrease. Already there is a lot of damage of the skin because of long standing varicose veins. Most of the time people don't give attention to the varicose veins, and if the varicose veins is there for long period of time, it leads to pigmentation of the skin becomes dry, and over the period of time ulcers develop. Now this patient underwent laser treatment of the varicose veins. His ulcers are healed and his pain is reduced. Now patient is very happy, he is able to sleep and he relieved his symptoms. His family is there, his daughter and son-in-law both are very happy. They have cared for the patient, and only because of that the patient recovered within 10 days. Family support is very important in every illness, and the willpower of the patient also helps. Now the patient came after 10 days. I am giving advice about the diet and general precautions. I advising the patient about elevating the limb while sleeping. So take special pillow is available for elevation of the limb while sleeping. You can get the link of that pillow in the description box. Some good supplements are there also in the description box for varicose veins. Patients should keep their limb elevated and use varicose vein stockings. Class 2 stockings are advised for patients of varicose veins, and you get the link of varicose vein stockings in the description. So the patients who are suffering from the varicose veins should wear varicose vein stockings regularly, and also they should keep their limb elevated, because it is a chronic problem, and this varicose veins problem leads to many complications like varicose veins ulcer. It leads to bleeding from the ulcer. It also causes edema and cellulitis in some patients. So proper treatment and timely treatment is key in these patients. So we treat lot of patients from all over India, and we feel very happy when they get relieved of their symptoms, they get relieved of their disease. Now this patient is very happy, and his daughter is asking about precautions, what precautions should we take, what diet should he take. So advise him to take adequate amount of proteins in the diet, like sprouts. Advise to take eggs, and also salads and fruit should be taken in adequate amounts. Dry fruits and nuts are also very healthy because adequate amount of the protein is needed for the good health of veins. You can see the pre-op picture of this patient. He is having varicose ulcer with cellulitis and was in severe pain. Now the patient is very happy with treatment. Thank you for watching this video.